Hi YouTube family, welcome back to Tech1 Channel 1 again. Hope all you are doing well. Today I am showing you 25 shortcut keys in Excel that make you expert in Excel. But before I start this video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red color subscribe button given in the bottom of this video and click the bell icon as well so you never miss any update. So whichever videos I uploaded on my YouTube channel, you got a notification of that and you never miss any videos. So you also, if you want any particular videos to be made, please let me know in the comment section below and I will make that video for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give your comments as well. If you want any particular videos to be made, please let me know in the comment section below and I will make that video for you. But before wasting any further time, let me show you how to use 25 shortcuts key in Excel and that make you expert in Excel. So let's get started on the PC. So these are the keys that we will be using. Okay, one by one I will show you how you can use these shortcut keys in your day-to-day life. So let us start with the first one, quick sum. So if I want to sum any amount or anything like this quantity, how much quantity I sell, how much rate on the how much amount, then what I have to do is I just need to type is equal to sum function and that's thing. So if I want to directly put any formulas here, what I can do is I just need to press Alt plus is equal to given in the after 0. So just put control plus is equal to, so the formula will get automatically pop up and you just need to press enter. So again we will be doing same thing, Alt plus is equal to, and we got the amount. The next one is today's date. So whenever we just need to put a date on the our report, so we can easily put with the help of a shortcut rather to type it. So if I want to put a date, what I need to do is just press Control and comma semicolon. Yeah, so I just need to press Controls plus semicolon. If I want to put today's time, what will be the time of right now, so I just need to for putting the time I just need to press Control Shift semicolon, so the time will be inserted automatically. Then the fourth formula, that is a save as. If we just need to go for saving all the files, what we are doing is we are going to files, then click save as. Instead of doing that, what we can do is just simply press F12 on the system and the pop-up message will come and you can save the file on the location that you need to save. The fifth formula is inserting the same data. So if I want to insert a same data, suppose this is the same data, I just want to insert Sandeep Patel. If I want to insert, what I can do is I just need to press Control D on my system. So press Control D and all the data will be got copied here. Okay, then next formula is selecting row. How I can select the row without using mouse. So it's a simple thing. You can press Shift space by selecting the row. For column you just need to press Control space, so column will be selected. Then the next one is how to insert a row. If I want to insert a row here, what I can do is I can simply press Control space, select the row and press Control plus. See, Control plus, and the row will get inserted. Okay, the next one is repeating same function. If I want to repeat a same function that I just want, if I suppose if I insert a row here, I don't want to press Control plus every time. What I can do is I just need to press F4. So by pressing F4, the same function will got repeated here. Then next one is delete row. How can I delete row without using mouse function? So let me insert the row first here. Shift space control plus. I just inserted 2 rows. If I want to delete, what I can do is I just need to repeat the same function. Shift space, select the both of the rows and press control minus. Yeah, for inserting you just need to press control plus, and for removing you just need to press control minus. Then the next one is inserting column. So if I want to insert a column, what I just need to do is you just need to press control space bar. Okay, this is the merge section, so it's got selected. So what I can do is I will yeah, here I can insert a row. So what I did is I just press control space, so it got selected, and simply control plus for inserting column, and for removing same thing you just need to press control minus, it will get removed. Then the next one is quick print. So if I want to print any document, what I can do is I just need to press control P, and it got automatically the pop-up message will come, and you can print the document easily, or rather to go to files, click on print, and that's thing. Okay, the next one is editing cell. Well, how can I edit a cell? So you will be using a mouse pointer, click on the click on this row, and then you can edit. Instead of that, you can press F2, and then after you can edit anything on the row. It's a simple thing without using any mouse pointer. Then next one will be start new lines in same cell. So if I write my name Ashraf, if I want my surname below my name, what can I do is I just need to press Alt enter, and the cursor will go down, and I can put my name surname below my name. So it's an easy thing. Then next one is how can I change the sheets. So if I want to go to sheet 2, what I can do is without using the mouse pointer, I just simply have to press control and page down, and these sheets got changed automatically. It's an easy thing. And for previous, you just need to use page up to move further. So for changing the so to change the sheet, you just need to press control page down, and to go to previous sheet you just need to press control page up. That's easy functions. For chart, suppose I have a database here and I want to prepare a chart. I just need to go to data, insert chart, and that's all the things. If I can do by clicking F11, so the chart get prepared automatically, and I can change the format, color, whichever I want. Change the color, yeah, I can change it. Okay, this is the also there is also option as a chart. If I want a pie chart or retail chart, like this way I can change it. Column chart, pie chart, click OK, and the pie chart are ready. It's a easy thing that you can prepare by pressing only one key, that's F11. How can I freeze a multiple row and column? By using shortcut. So if I want to freeze this, so if I write serial number formula shortcut, okay, if I want to, so if I go down, the title will go up and I can't see. If I move to right hand side, I can't see. So what I just need to do is I just have to freeze the up arrow and the left hand side row. So for doing that, what I just need to do is we just need to press Alt W F F. So put your pointer here, press Alt W F F. So it got freeze. So if I go down, so top row will be there. If I want to move right hand side, I can see the serial number. Easy. The next formula is filter. If I want to filter any data, what can I do is I don't have to select the data and then go to data and put the function. I can click anywhere and simply I just have to click Ctrl Shift L. By clicking that, the filter get automatically filled. The function will automatically activated. If I want to merge any cell or data, suppose if I want to merge this thing, what I just need to do is press Alt H M C. So see, the data got merged. HMC. By the help of HMC, the data got merged. The next one is change the background color. So change the background color, you just need to press Alt H and you can select the color by the help of up and down key. So let me select this color for background color, and for font changing you just need to press Alt H FC. I can select any font color. Let me select this one and press enter. But after selecting that, press enter. If I want to change the format of font, suppose if I change the background of this color, if I change the font color, I require the format to be unique. So what I have to do is I just have to use the format painter. To use the format painter, what I can do is Alt H F P. So see, the font get changed the color to the unique one. So Alt H F P, the background got removed and the data will be the same that I want. So this way you can use the 25 Excel formulas that I sorted out for you. If you want any more formulas to be made by me in the next video, please let me know in the comment section below and I will make that video for you. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, colleagues, office staffs, and they can use these formulas and shortcuts in day-to-day life. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye for now.